5 seeds that repair nerve damage naturally. Are you suffering from back, neck, or other body pains? And along with also notice numbness or tingling, then this could be sign of nerve damage. Nerve damage is a common health issue that can be caused by various factors such as injuries, diseases, or aging. It can lead to a multitude of symptoms like pain, numbness, tingling, and muscle weakness. But the good news is there are some of treatment and remedies available to repair nerve damage. Among these treatment, nature has effective natural remedies in the form of seeds. Please stay tuned with us until the end as we discuss the benefits of these seeds and how they can help repair nerve damage. But before we explore more details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our health tips and natural remedies. So let's get started. The nervous system in human body is complex communication network. It transports messages between various parts of the body and the brain. The nervous system allows us to sense, move muscles, and control physical activities. But these nerves can be injured and dysfunctional, which is known as neuropathy or nerve damage. However, you can easily keep your nerves functioning at their best, just feeding your body with the right nutrients, which is essential. For this purpose, we have gathered 5 amazing seeds that not only boost nerve function, but also assist in repairing damaged nerves. All of these seeds are packed with essential nutrients that heal the nerve damage and offer a wide range of health benefits. They are rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fatty acids, all of which play a crucial role in supporting nerve health and regeneration. Our first seed on the list is none other than the famous pumpkin seed. These powerful seeds are packed with nutrients that can aid in nerve repair. Pumpkin seeds are rich in magnesium, which is a vital mineral that plays a crucial role in nerve function. Magnesium helps to regulate nerve impulses and supports nerve tissue repair. Moreover, they are a great source of zinc, which is essential for maintaining nerve health. Scientific studies have shown that regular consumption of pumpkin seeds can improve nerve function and reduce inflammation. Inflammation in the body is often a major contributor to nerve damage. You can add pumpkin seeds by sprinkling on your salads or yogurt for a nutritious boost. Now, let's move on to our second seed, which is chia seeds. These tiny seeds are a nutritional powerhouse. Chia seeds are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation can intensify nerve damage, but eating these seeds can help combat it. Studies have indicated that the omega-3s in chia seeds can protect nerves from damage and promote their repair. This makes chia seeds a valuable item of your diet. Chia seeds can be added to your morning smoothie or mixed with water to make a healthy chia pudding. Next up, we have flax seeds, a fantastic source of nerve-nourishing nutrients. Flax seeds are high in alpha-linolenic acid. It is a type of omega-3 fatty acid that can reduce inflammation and support the growth of healthy nerve cells. Research has shown that flax seeds may help protect nerves from oxidative stress, which is a common factor in nerve damage. Adding flax seeds to your diet can be a proactive step in maintaining nerve health. Flax seeds can be ground and sprinkled over your cereal or used as an egg substitute in baking the food. Moving on to our fourth seed, which is hemp seeds. These seeds are gaining popularity for their numerous health benefits. Hemp seeds are a rich source of gamma-linolenic acid, GLA, which has anti-inflammatory properties. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals suffering from nerve damage. Studies suggest that GLA in hemp seeds may help reduce nerve pain and inflammation. This makes them a valuable natural remedy for those seeking relief from nerve damage symptoms. Hemp seeds are a versatile item for topping in soups, stir-fries, or even as a garnish on your avocado toast. Last but not least, we have fenugreek seeds, which is a lesser-known remedy for nerve repair. As fenugreek seeds are packed with antioxidants that can help protect nerves from oxidative damage. Additionally, they contain compounds that may promote nerve regeneration. Various research suggests that fenugreek seeds offer potential benefits in improving nerve function and reducing nerve-related discomfort. You can easily add fenugreek seeds to your curries and stews for a unique flavor and potential nerve-supporting benefits. To sum it up, these 5 seeds can be powerful allies in your journey to repair nerve damage naturally. Incorporating them into your diet can provide your body with the nutrients it needs for nerve health. At last, let me know which seeds you like to add to your diet after watching this video. Write down your favorite seed's name in the comments below. I'd love to read your valuable comment. If you found this information useful, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with anyone who might benefit from it. And also check out our other useful videos here. Stay fit, and thanks for watching this video. And we'll see you in the next video.